Did you know 1 in 3 people get ingrown hairs after a Brazilian wax? Most people don't even know how to prevent them. Today, we'll reveal the secrets to smooth, bump-free skin. Welcome to MTH Health. Here, we simplify health and skincare with expert-backed tips. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult a professional for personal advice. A Brazilian wax removes most or all of the pubic hair. That includes the front, the middle, and the back. It's a popular method of grooming around the world. But it can cause redness, irritation, and painful ingrown hairs. Ingrown hairs form when hair grows back into the skin. This creates red, painful bumps. Sometimes, they become inflamed or even infected. Curly hair types are more prone to them. So is improper waxing technique or poor aftercare. If you wax at home, follow these steps. First, gently exfoliate the area. Second, clean and dry your skin completely. Use a high-quality wax designed for sensitive areas. Pull the strip fast and in the opposite direction of hair growth. Never wax over broken or irritated skin. Always test the wax on a small patch first. Start with exfoliation, even after waxing. Products with salicylic acid or glycolic acid can help. Use a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer every day. Wear loose cotton underwear after waxing. Avoid tight clothing for 24 to 48 hours. Skip intense workouts for a day or two. Checkmark: do use a cool compress. Checkmark: do apply soothing, unscented lotion. Crossmark: don't touch the area with unwashed hands. Crossmark: don't shave between wax sessions. Crossmark: don't use tanning beds or expose the area to the sun. If you notice redness that doesn't go away, seek help. If there's pus, swelling, or extreme pain, it could be infected. See a dermatologist for safe and effective treatment. Thanks for watching MTH Health. For more real health and skincare tips, subscribe now. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Smooth skin starts with smart care.